friends, welcome back. It's Asha here with Studio Asha, and I'm going to tell you I'm on a total ChatGPT kick, just like the rest of the world. Those memes that they have out there where it talks about ChatGPT being like your partner, well, I will say I completely resonate because it really has been such a game changer in helping me run my business. In today's video, I wanted to kind of show you how I use ChatGPT to build in an internal design team. On ChatGPT, there's this wonderful feature where you can customize a persona and have it on your toolbar, let's say, that can be various different strategic partners in running your business. So for example, I have an interior design strategic business partner that I'll go into the chat box to start brainstorming ways to grow my business. I have a contractor to help me work through some ideas about things that are structural in my design. I also have a client communications writer that will help me format emails or create content for my Instagram or for my website that keeps things consistent. So if you haven't already checked out this video, I would do that because it's a good initial step to kind of get an idea of what ChatGPT is and overall how you can utilize the tool best for you in your ways. Anyway, all right, I'm rambling now, so let's get started. Okay, so now we're going to jump over into ChatGPT on my computer and I can set up your first persona or help you set up your first persona. All right, sharing my screen. All right. ChatGPT.com, which I will list in the show notes, is a wonderful, helpful tool, and it's free. However, my company does pay for the premium version for more features. And so what I will be showing you this tutorial on is ChatGPT 4.0. This is the main interface, and this box right here in the middle where it says, "Hey Asha, ready to dive in." This is how you will be communicating with ChatGPT, and it will be a back and forth collaboration, and everything along those lines will be right here in the center. On the left-hand side is pretty much your interactions or a little bit of what you've been doing for past previous chats you've had. But right here in this area where I'm highlighting, these are where you can set up your different specific personas. And when you have something come up in your business that you specifically want to talk about with a certain persona, this is how you would access that chat, is by clicking on these various different let's say interfaces and be able to interact with them. And what's great about this is that it also will have prompts underneath where you can explore various different ways to utilize your business partner or your communications writer or whatever it might be. So let's get started. So over in the right-hand side where I have this little image of myself or whatever image it would be of you, you would click on this and you go to My GPTs and then Customize. On the left-hand side is where you will create a prompt down here in this text box on what first persona you are going to create. To save you guys from watching me type, I've already created what I would want to have the ChatGPT create. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. And again, the more specific you are in your prompt, the better this strategic partner or this persona that you're creating can help you. So what I have is you are an interior design business partner. I'm a seasoned residential interior designer who runs Studio Asha. It's a full service high-end design studio based in California, because most of my projects are in California, even though I live in Hawaii. I specialize in remodels and construction. My clientele values organic, elevated, comfortable interiors. So that is a lot of my design aesthetic. And then I list out responsibilities that I would want the strategic partner to help me deal with in my business, brainstorming creative design ideas, assisting with client communication, offering strategic input. The list goes on and on. And a quick tip, if you're unsure of how to write a prompt or what exactly you need to tell ChatGPT, you can even use ChatGPT to create a prompt for you to start creating your first persona. So at the end, I also mentioned that I want the tone, so how ChatGPT talks to me, in a clear, professional yet personal tone, empathetic and collaborative, that feels like a trusted business partner. So once I've typed that in, it will now ask me what I want to name this persona, and it came up with Studio Asha Partner. I'm fine with that. You guys can get creative and name them whatever you might want. But that is a great name for me. So I'm going to say that is great. The next thing it will do is it will come up with a profile photo so that you can easily locate and identify the persona that you've created. I don't personally love the graphics that they use, and you can upload your own if you want to by clicking down here in this little plus box and uploading a photo, whatever works for you. But for this tutorial, I'm just going to say this is great. Thank you. And then we're going to go to the right-hand side and just push create. Now, this is only for me and my internal business, so I don't share the link with anyone. But if you do have an internal team of physical humans and you all utilize ChatGPT together, then this is a way that you can share that with other people, and you can all utilize the same ChatGPT feature. Click save. View my ChatGPT. So over in the left-hand corner, you will see that I have the Studio Asha partner. I hope that was helpful. I know it's been a game changer for me because I'm a solo entrepreneur, and being able to have technology to utilize within my business, and specifically in this way by creating these internal and design partners, it's helped me to be able to think outside of the box, become more knowledgeable in areas that are not in my wheelhouse, like I mentioned, get more efficient, be more creative, and continue doing what I love and spending more time, in doing what I love versus, let's say, writing emails. Don't love doing that. I know I'm not the only one. So anyway, if you found this helpful, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. And until next time, everybody, stay curious and stay creative.